Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. Another snow day. Can you believe it? Hopefully, we'll be back at school on Monday. I miss you guys too much. All right, so today we're going to reread Experiment with What a Plant Needs to Grow. And if you remember yesterday, we talked about how this is an expository text, and that means it's informational. It has photos with labels, and you have to pay attention to how they help you understand. You may see order of events, or you may see a cause and effect. And today we're going to be talking about cause and effect in text organization. So today you will match 3 cause and effect relationships by thinking why or what happened, because this will help you understand how information is set up in an informational text. Okay, so how will you be successful? You will find the cause by asking why, and you will find the effect by asking what happened. Okay, so let's take a look at this poster at the side. This says text organization, and one side says informational texts have a structure or type of organization that fits the topic and the author's purpose. Cause, why. The why is something happens. The reason. It rained a lot is the why. The effect is what happens. So the flowers in the garden grew. It rained a lot, so the flowers in the garden grew. So look around for cause and effect words in your text. You'll see some that are here. Some examples are so, because, since, if this happened, then this happened, or as a result. Okay, so let's read to find out some cause and effects. Remember, the effect is what happened because of the reason, the cause. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and look. All right, I'm going to go ahead, and today I'm just going to play some of the text for you. I'm going to put it up here so that someone else is reading it to you today. I'm afraid you're getting tired of my voice on here. And then we'll stop and answer some questions in just a little bit. All right, so you just follow along as you listen.
What are plants? Plants are living things. They grow. They reproduce. Like you, plants need air and water. They need minerals to stay healthy. They also need food. For a plant, food starts with sunlight. Sunlight fuels photosynthesis. This is a process in which green leaves make food using air and water. With enough sunlight and water, flowering plants will bloom. Plants give us food, wood, and medicine. Photosynthesis provides the oxygen we need to breathe. Can seeds get too much water? Water helps a plant stay strong and sturdy. But even before a plant shoots out of the ground, its seeds need water to sprout. Can seeds get too much water? Let's find out. What you need: 3 small bowls, water, 6 cotton balls, handful of grass seeds, pencil and paper. Plants die if they don't get enough water. Steps. 1. Start by putting 2 cotton balls in each of the bowls. 2. Next, fill the first bowl so the cotton balls are covered with water. Moisten the second bowl's cotton balls all the way through. Don't add any water to the third bowl. 3. Sprinkle about a dozen seeds on top of the cotton balls in each bowl. Label the bowls so you remember which is which. 4. Put the cotton balls in a sunny place. 5. Check the bowls every day. Make sure the first 2 cotton balls stay covered in water. Make sure the second 2 stay moist. After a few days, some seeds will sprout. Keep checking your seedlings for a week. Which sprouts are the tallest and sturdiest? Think it through. A seed has a coat that protects it. Water softens the coat so the seed can sprout. But seeds also need air. Too much water can keep a seed from getting enough air. Horse chestnuts have spiky seed coats to protect their seeds. Now try this. Plants need minerals to be healthy. Most plants get minerals from the soil. Predict how long your grass can survive without soil. Watch the grass sprouts to see if you were right. Be sure to write down your prediction before you start experimenting. How do leaves get air? We just saw that seeds need air to sprout. Roots need air too. Air is also part of photosynthesis. As they make food, green leaves take air in and let it out. Let's find out how. What you need: petroleum jelly, masking tape, leafy green plant, camera. You can easily poke your finger into good garden soil. The loose soil holds lots of tiny spaces. Those air-filled spaces keep roots healthy. Steps. 1. Spread a heavy coat of petroleum jelly over the tops of 5 leaves of your plant. 2. Do the same on the undersides of 5 other leaves. 3. Put your plant in a sunny window, then take its picture. 4. Observe your plant every day for the next week. Mark the tops of the coated leaves with tape so you can easily find them again. Compare what you see to the photo you took on the first day. How are the leaves different from your photo? Think it through. Petroleum jelly kept some of the leaves from letting air in and out. Those leaves started to wilt. The leaves that were coated on the bottom wilted the most. Measure like a scientist. Measuring helps scientists show exactly what is happening. Let's look at some ways you might use measuring in a plant experiment. Measurement, test, tool, unit, metric. Measurement, weight, test. Weigh 2 seeds. Is one heavier? Tool, scale. Unit, metric, ounces, grams. Measurement, length, test. Measure a bean seedling in the morning. Then measure it the next day. Did it grow taller? Tool, ruler. Unit, metric, inches, centimeters. Measurement, time, test. Track how many days it takes for a plant to bloom. Tool, calendar. Unit, metric, days. Measurement, volume, test. Measure how much water you are adding to a pot. Tool, measuring cup. Unit, metric, cup, milliliters.
Okay, so now we're going to go back to our slides. All right, now let me hold on just a second. All right, and we're going to go over some of the cause and effect in some of the slides. So let's keep moving. Okay, so we read, that was all read to us. Okay, so now let's look at we looked at page 126 through 130. Those were the pages about if a seed can get too much water, okay? So in pages 126 through 130, what is the effect of giving plants too much water? Okay, so if you give plants too much water, what happens? The seed stays hard and closed. The seed grows spikes to protect themselves. C, the seed will not get enough air. Or D, the seed grows into a tall plant. If you said C, you are correct. Okay, so then we learned about the air and how seeds need air, plants need air. So in the pages of 131 through 133, when they talked about air, what is the effect of putting petroleum jelly on the bottom of the leaves? A, the leaves stay green. B, the leaves begin to wilt, C, the leaves don't change at all, or D, the leaves turn back into seeds. So if you look at that picture on the left, we see that the leaves begin to wilt. Okay, so today this is your turn. This is called a you do. So it's your turn to show me what you've learned. So the article explains some different causes and effects. Draw a line to match the cause with the effect. So first I'm going to read you those 3 causes, okay? Cover bottom of leaf with petroleum jelly. Next one says, give seeds too much water. And then the next one says, sunlight shines on the plant. Okay, and then the effect. The plant makes food in a process called photosynthesis. The next one says, leaves wilt. And the next one says, seeds won't be able to breathe air. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the first cause and you're going to match it up with the effect. You're going to do that 3 times. So you'll have 3 lines, one going from the cause to the other one going to the effect. You'll have 3 lines with that. So when you go to do your Pear Deck today, make sure that you're drawing those lines to match the cause and effect. All right? Okay, and so that's your assignment for today. I hope you have a great day. And remember, these are the 2 things I want you to think about. How does cause and effect help us understand the world around us? And before you do something or make a decision, which is a cause, should you think of what will happen? The effect. Why is this important? All right, have a great day, and I will see you on Monday. Hopefully, we'll be back at school in person because we sure do miss you guys. All right, have a great weekend. Love you guys. Bye.